Hi there, I'm So from the Big Journey Company and welcome to the What's in My Bag guides. So you've discussed your trip with your doctor, you've got copies of all your prescription medication just in case you need to get any when you're away. And on that note, it's worthwhile when you travel with prescription medication, if you've got some in your checked in baggage, keep some in your hand luggage. If your checked in baggage was to go missing, you've got a couple of days supply on hand with you that you can use whilst we get you your prescription in country. Okay, so you're going to want to take your normal prescription medication. You're going to want to take a first aid kit. Now I normally carry two. I carry a larger one with extra stuff that will stay at the hotel, and I carry a small first aid kit in my day bag, as it were, if I'm going out touring around a city for a day or whatever. So some of the things that might be in there, I normally carry tissues, wet wipes, some hand gel. Okay, if you're doing a lot of walking, it's quite worthwhile having something. For example, if you've got new shoes for your holiday and stuff like that, and suddenly you blister, a bit of a plaster or something like that. We have a company called Compeed in the UK that does specifically blister plasters. So something like that, should the shoes not quite fit or you've been walking for a long day. And the other thing, especially if you go in hot countries, if you're doing a lot of exercise, sometimes you can sweat a bit, and sweating can cause chafing if you've been walking a long time. So another very simple one, I carry Vaseline with me. If there's any chafing or anything like that, just rub a bit of Vaseline on and that will go away. So think very carefully about that. The other thing is when you get to the evenings, but sometimes during the day, you'll probably want some bug spray and some cream to soothe it if you do get bitten, stuff like that. So don't forget your anti-bug spray as well. So I hope those bits of information have been really useful to you. If you are booked on a big journey trip, then when we get down to it, we will go into a lot more detail about the actual specifics of your trip. Other than that, the only thing I would say to you is when you go on your holiday, commit wholeheartedly. I'm a great believer in you need to be the person dancing, not the person stood at the bar watching. And if you take that thought with you, commit, try the food, engage with the people, get down and feel it and touch it and smell it. What you put into your holiday is what you'll get out of your holiday. Safe travels, everybody.